Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. One of the most iconic Volvo shops in Northern California. There it is, folks. Folks, we have a Volvo Haven here. Here's a S90. It's got one or two burnt valves. Actually, it's probably a 960. This thing is on its way to a salvage yard. Look at those cloth seats. Man, this thing looks good. But every dog has its day, so it is on its way to a salvage yard. Couple of S80s. Here's a T6. Then we got the Platinum that I'm driving. It's a Volvo Haven, folks. We got a look like a C70 down here that is in transition on the roof being lowered. And here comes Steve and a T-Bird. Got a 244 project car. Check out what it's got in there. Bam! Monster turbo and a 16 valve cylinder head. That thing's gonna be a monster. This morning I seen a few drops of oil under the car. A few drops there, oil all over this subframe. Little bit of oil getting on the alternator, and the oil cooler line is leaking. It don't even look like it's leaking at the joint. Look like it's leaking in the middle of the hose. So we're gonna block this off. And I talked to my buddy Steve here. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I've ever seen this before. This engine mount is totally busted. I didn't watch that. But we're going to take the oil cooler off. He said he doesn't even take the rest of the stuff off. He just leaves it there, presses on with life. So we're going to pull this off, put it on the block off plate, press on up the road. I have got the oil cooler off, and I'm going to leave this stuff just like this. And there it is, folks. The oil cooler block off plate installed. The line's out of the way of the belt. Now I gotta see if I got this engine mount in the car, because that is making a lot of noise and it really needs to be dealt with. So let me check, see if I got that mount, and move on from there. There it is, folks. The engine mount's replaced. And when I knocked it out of there, it fell apart on the ground. I wonder if this was damaged when somebody hit that subframe. The rubber's not that bad, but it was damaged in an accident. Man, I left at least 3 packages back at the barn. I gotta go back. Lost 9 hours of travel, maybe 10. But Steve helped me get these struts put in, so I should have a comfortable ride there and back. Time to get on the road and get this done. In the pickup park, Redding, California. Man, I left a lot of stuff at the barn down by the coast, not far from the Bay Area. I am currently probably 5 hours away. So I gotta drive 10 hours to go back and get the stuff I left. This little trip is costing me, that's probably gonna be another 250 bucks. So I'm losing big time. I gotta stop this bleeding, or I'm gonna have to take my butt home. I just can't, man. I don't know how I left that stuff. See, I'm supposed to be installing all of that stuff on the vehicle while I'm down there. Not supposed to be hauling it around, trying to make sure I remember to take it here, there, all this other stuff. So anyway, it's supposed to be a 960. out here in this salvage yard, and an 850. Here's an 850. Road 19 is supposed to be the 960. This is road 25 for the 850. Let's see if this thing's got anything on it we need. And we need to get to that 960 and get out of here. Hey, here's an S70. ETM looks like a 99 car. Do 2000 S70 base SC edition. I thought these SCs had special seats. Well, evidently they don't. Let's see what this 850 got going on. Manual climate control, lots of air fresheners, good shift knob. And it looks like a base model. 94 base model. So this got an oil cooler block off on it if nobody's come and got it. Yep. Oh crap, I'm filming myself. There it is, folks. Oil cooler block off plate out here in Redding, California. Pick apart. I didn't bring any tools out here. Not sure why. There's 2 oil cooler block off plates out here. But I really don't have time to fool with them because I left a bunch of parts out in California. I gotta drive all the way back out there and get them. 23, 22, 21, 20. Road 19. I don't know if this is road 19 or not. It's supposed to be a 960 on road 19. But this doesn't look like road 19 to me. I don't see anything on top of the road that say road 19. But I got a lot of stuff done on the car today. Some suspension work, some engine mounts. Look at that 240, 245. Yeah, I don't see a 960 out here. Unless that's it. Oh, yep, that's it. A nice red color. With S80 wheels. And it's got the sunroof trim that I come for. So I'm going to grab that and get out of here. Last night, I tried to pack up everything I needed out of that shop down there in the coast area. Left 3 things. I left a fender that's platinum color match, just can't replace that. I left headliner material, and I left a box of suspension parts. So I got to go back down there and get that stuff. It's a 10-hour drive round trip. I don't know how I left it. It just, I thought I had everything in the car, but I didn't. So I got to go back. Anyway, let me go ahead and maybe get a 10mm tool, take these oil cooler block off plates, then get down the road. I used one of my rewards nights to get this room. It has 2 queen size beds, a nice desk area, TV of course, little on the small side, refrigerator, microwave, which you definitely want. See if the deadbolt works. Deadbolt works. Security safety works. Now I did notice the window coverings was a little dingy. Not the end of the world. AC seems to be on. Not sure what that is. Make sure that doesn't move. Nope, doesn't look like nothing that'll move. It's got a little table on that side of the chair. Commode's running. And they said something about water was shut off, so the water's brown. Everything looks clean. And in decent repair. Little closet. So, that's it for the inside. Let's check it for the bugs. Just want to look, make sure nothing moves. You don't want stuff moving, because you disturb the bugs, they will move. That should be good to go. I'm going to eat my dinner, then go get my bag. We hit a glitch with the last room. TV didn't work. So we are now in a king room, which is what I prefer. So let's see if we got anything moving. Oh, it's got a pull out. How nice. Nothing moving. Does kind of smell like there may have been a pet in here at one time. Or this is a pet-friendly room. Crap, this kind of sucks. I don't want to be in the bed that a dog's been in. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.